Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you how to do 2024 year Porsche Cayenne Key by KD X4 and KD MP, and you need to prepare a PC software. Okay, this is the original key, and this is the KD MLB key. Okay, let's unboxing the KD MP device. 12 supply, USB cable, key collecting wire. Okay, the next step, we need to take the original keyboard out. Okay. Okay. Let's check the diagram. Programming functions, KD MP. Wiring diagram. Posture. Okay, this is what we need. Need to remove setting cap. Okay. Connect this to wire. Now the original key has been welded. Okay, and let's connect the KD MP to the computer. Okay. Put the key to the coil of supply. Okay. Let's identify the key. And the information of the key. Okay. Collect key data. Okay. Okay, collected. Verification code. The verification code can be used to generate the key by collecting history. You can view historical verification codes and add notes. Copy. Okay. Next step, let's generate the dealer key. Put the KD key MLB key to the coil. Okay. Okay, dealer key generated successfully. Let's run the key on the vehicle. Before run the key, we need to check the collecting history and remember the verification code. Take a picture. Okay. Okay, now the OBD connected. Let's run the KD MLB key. The first step, we need to unlock the SFD of gateway and instrument cluster, and then we can run the key. Otherwise, we cannot run the key. In more programming, enter the corresponding menu. Posture. SFD unlock. Unlock gateway. Turn on the ignition. Okay, turn on. Okay. Yes. Okay. Please send the above data to a third party to calculate the SFD token. Shooting. Obtain the data. Send to the third party. Need 5 MB Key. Copy the data. Okay. Paste to this here. Okay. Unlock successfully. Okay. Then unlock instrument cluster. Okay. Turn on. Okay. Shoot a photo. Obtain the data. Send it to third party. 5 MB. Okay. Copy the data to here. Okay. Unlock successfully. Please perform related operations within 90 minutes. Okay. Return. Now let's run the key learning. Open the engine hood. Okay. 2. Okay. Sorry. Put the key to the induction area. Okay. Okay. Yes. Enter the vehicle service verification code. This one. 8444363. 8444363. Okay, that's right. Upload data. Yes. Okay, then the key is 1 to another one to the induction area. Yes. Matching completed. Okay. Then successfully. Put the original key out of the car and check the KD MLB Key function. Unlock. Okay. Start the car. Okay, working.